one of my fun projects on a hot day when I'm inside and I'm not at my sewing machine is taking old, stained sweatshirt, shirts, t-shirts that don't fit, and grabbing my best cutter scissors. I've dropped my other ones too many times. They're not great cutter scissors anymore. And just cutting about a 1-inch swath of off the bottom. And when I get around to the other side, I might speed this video up so it goes really fast. You just keep going at your 1 inch, and eventually you're going to have a whole bunch of bulky yarn. And then you saved a shirts, lounge pajama pants, anything that's stretchy. Here's the end, where now I'm going up at an angle to go to the next thing. And you've saved them from a landfill.